In today's dynamic business landscape, staying competitive requires more than just hard work. It demands smart work, driven by efficient tools and streamlined processes. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how the right technology can transform chaos into clarity and scattered efforts into synchronized success. Among the plethora of software solutions available, Zoho stands out as a comprehensive ecosystem that offers significant benefits, particularly when it comes to project management and overall business operations. Often, when businesses consider new software, the focus narrows to solving a specific pain point, perhaps a need for better task management or improved customer relationship management. However, Zoho's strength lies in its unified approach. It's not just a collection of individual apps. It's an integrated suite designed to work harmoniously, breaking down silos and fostering seamless collaboration across departments. This interconnectedness yields a multitude of advantages that extend far beyond the typical benefits of standalone project management tools. Let's delve into the specific ways Zoho can benefit your organization, especially through the lens of effective project management. 1. Enhanced project planning and organization, laying a solid foundation. Every successful project begins with meticulous planning. Without a clear roadmap, projects can easily veer off course, leading to wasted resources and missed deadlines. Zoho Projects, a core component of the Zoho suite, provides robust features to streamline the planning phase. Work breakdown structure. WBS Zoho Projects allows you to break down complex projects into smaller, more manageable tasks, subtasks, and milestones. This hierarchical structure provides clarity on the scope of work and makes it easier to assign responsibilities and track progress at a granular level. For instance, a website development project can be broken down into phases like planning, design, development, testing, and deployment, with each phase containing specific task lists and individual tasks. Gantt charts. Visualizing project timelines and dependencies is crucial for staying on schedule. Zoho Projects' interactive Gantt charts provide a clear overview of task durations, start and end dates, dependencies between tasks, and project milestones. This visual representation allows project managers to identify potential bottlenecks, allocate resources effectively, and make necessary adjustments proactively. Imagine seeing at a glance which tasks need to be completed before others can begin, ensuring a logical flow of work. Task management and automation. Assigning tasks to team members, setting priorities, defining deadlines, and tracking their status are fundamental to project management. Zoho Projects offers intuitive task management features, including different views like Classic, Plain, and Kanban, allowing teams to work in their preferred style. Furthermore, automation capabilities, such as setting up recurring tasks and automated reminders, reduce administrative overhead and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. For example, daily stand-up meeting reminders can be automated to keep the team informed and on track. Issue management. Inevitably, projects encounter roadblocks. Zoho Projects includes a dedicated issue tracking module to log, assign, and monitor issues or bugs. Service level agreements, SLAs, can be defined to ensure timely resolution, minimizing disruptions to the project timeline. This proactive approach to issue management helps maintain momentum and prevent minor problems from escalating into major delays. 2. Improved team collaboration and communication, bridging the gaps. Effective communication and collaboration are the lifeblood of successful projects, especially when multiple teams or departments are involved. Zoho's suite fosters a connected environment. Centralized communication platform. Zoho Click, an integrated communication tool, provides instant messaging, group chats, and virtual meeting capabilities directly within the Zoho ecosystem. This eliminates the need to switch between disparate communication platforms, keeping project-related discussions organized and easily accessible. Imagine having a dedicated chat channel for each project team, where members can share updates, ask questions, and collaborate in real time. Document management. Zoho WorkDrive serves as a central repository for all project-related documents, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest versions. This eliminates the confusion and inefficiencies associated with scattered files and email attachments. Version control and access permissions ensure data security and prevent unauthorized modifications. For example, design mockups, project plans, and meeting minutes can all be stored and shared securely within WorkDrive. 1. Axial-ECM.com. Axial-ECM.com. Collaborative task management. Teams can collaborate directly on tasks within Zoho projects, adding comments, attaching relevant files, and updating progress in real time. This fosters transparency and ensures that everyone is aware of the latest developments. The ability to set task dependencies also allows team members to see how their work impacts others, promoting accountability and a sense of shared responsibility. Forums and feeds. Zoho Projects includes forums for broader project discussions and a feed for real-time updates on project activities. This keeps all stakeholders informed of progress, potential issues, and important decisions, fostering a sense of shared understanding and alignment. 3. Streamline time and resource management. Optimizing efficiency. Efficiently managing time and resources is critical for staying within budget and meeting deadlines. Zoho offers tools to optimize these aspects. Time tracking and timesheets. Zoho Projects allows team members to track the time spent on specific tasks, either manually or using built-in timers. This provides valuable insights into project costs, team productivity, and the time required for different types of tasks. Timesheets can be reviewed and approved for accurate billing and payroll. Resource allocation and utilization. Project managers can allocate resources, team members, to tasks based on their skills and availability. Zoho Projects provides reports on resource utilization, allowing managers to identify potential overloads or underutilization and make adjustments to ensure a balanced workload. This helps prevent burnout and maximizes team efficiency. Budgeting and cost management. Zoho Projects enables you to define project budgets, track actual costs against planned expenses, and generate reports on budget status. Integrating with Zoho Books or Zoho Invoice allows for seamless invoicing of billable hours and expenses, ensuring accurate financial management.